Stop scrolling for a second. There are thousands of websites on the internet, but most people keep using the same few websites every day. What if I told you there are 10 free websites that can save you time, make difficult tasks easier, and even help you work smarter? And number 2 is one you might wish you discovered years ago. So, grab your phone or computer because you may want to bookmark these. Let's get started. Number 10, Google Keep. Need to quickly save an idea, create a checklist, write down something important, or remind yourself about a task. Google Keep lets you organize notes, lists, images, and reminders in one place. It's especially useful if you're always getting ideas while you're working or studying. Instead of saying, "I'll remember that later," write it down. Because honestly, you probably won't remember. Number 9, Photopea. If you need to edit an image but don't have expensive editing software, try Photopea. It works directly in your browser and supports many advanced editing features. You can remove backgrounds, edit graphics, work with layers, and even open Photoshop-style files. For quick image editing, this can be incredibly useful. And yes, you can use it without installing heavy software on your computer. Number 8, I love PDF. If you work with PDF files, save this website. You can merge PDFs, split documents, compress files, convert files, and perform other common PDF tasks. So instead of downloading a different program every time you have a PDF problem, you can handle many of those jobs online. This one is especially useful for students, office workers, and freelancers. Number 7, Canva. Need a presentation, social media graphic, poster, resume, or thumbnail? Canva gives you thousands of templates that can help you create professional-looking designs without being a professional designer. The biggest advantage is speed. Instead of starting from a completely blank page, you can choose a template and customize it for your needs. Number 6, DeepL. If you regularly translate text between different languages, DeepL is worth trying. It uses AI to produce natural-sounding translations and can be especially helpful when you're dealing with longer sentences or documents. It's not a replacement for a professional translator in every situation, but for everyday translation, it can be extremely useful. Number 5, Remove.bg. Ever taken a picture and wished you could remove the background instantly? Remove.bg is designed specifically for that. Upload an image, and the website can automatically detect the subject and remove the background. This is useful for product photos, profile pictures, thumbnails, presentations, and social media content. A task that could take several minutes can sometimes be done in seconds. Number 4, VirusTotal. Here's one you should know about for safety. If you receive a suspicious file or link and you're not sure whether it's safe, VirusTotal can help you check it against multiple security engines. Now, don't treat it as an absolute guarantee that something is safe, but it's a useful extra layer of checking before you interact with something suspicious. And in 2026, knowing how to stay safer online is just as important as knowing how to use technology. Number 3, TinyWow. TinyWow is like a toolbox for common digital tasks. Depending on the tool available, you can work with PDFs, images, documents, and other files without installing separate software for every little task. If you regularly find yourself searching Google for things like, "How do I convert this file?" or "How do I compress this document?" this website is worth bookmarking. Number 2, Speed Test by Ookla. Is your internet suddenly slow? Before blaming your computer, router, or internet provider, run a speed test. Speed Test can measure your internet connection and show you information such as download speed, upload speed, and latency. That gives you actual numbers instead of simply saying, "My Wi-Fi is terrible." And finally, number 1, Google Drive. If you're not already using cloud storage, you're making life harder than it needs to be. Google Drive allows you to store files online and access them from different devices. You can also use tools like Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides to work on documents without relying entirely on one computer. Imagine your laptop suddenly stops working. Your files don't have to disappear with it. That's why cloud storage is something every computer user should understand. So those are 10 websites that can make your life much easier in 2026. But don't just watch this video and forget about them. Save the video because it will help you one day. Bookmark the websites you actually need and start using them. And if you want more useful websites, computer shortcuts, AI tools, and digital skills that actually save you time, subscribe to Smart Digital Skills. I'll see you in the next one.